Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store. After that, go to the search at the right bottom and then click at the search line at the top. If you have iOS 26, click at the search line at the bottom. And now write EDIFIER. Search. And you need to install the application what called EDIFIER Connect. Now open it. Click Hello. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!